Hello everyone, I'm Yash from IdeaBox Creations, and today in this video we will take a look at the header footer feature of Powerpack Elements add-on for Elementor. With this feature you can create custom headers and footers on your website using the Elementor Lite page builder and the Powerpack Elements add-on. Let's create a header and a footer for our tutorial. So let's start with our header. Go to Pages and your WordPress dashboard and add a new page. Give your page a proper name and click on Edit with Elementor button. Now click on the settings wheel in the lower left corner and set the page layout as Elementor canvas. Once it is done, we'll start adding elements to our header. If you want, you can use a header template or can design a header from scratch. Let's add a logo image and a heading. Let's also add social sharing icons to our header. Now we'll add a navigation menu to complete our header. Now, once you are done with your header, go ahead and publish it. Our header is ready. Let's create our footer. Again, add a new page and give this page a proper name. Now click on Edit with Elementor button to start building your footer. Again, for your footer, you can use a template or any other design that you already have. But if you want to go with our design, here we are creating a 3-column setup. In the first column, we have added an image, text and social icons at the bottom. Now in the second column, we have added a heading and 2 icon lists with links to respective pages. And lastly, in the third column, we are adding a heading and a newsletter form. Once you are done making all the changes, go ahead and publish the footer. Okay, so now our header and footer are ready. Now we just need to assign the footer and header on our website. For this, go to Elementor and then go to Powerpack. Now head over to the header and footer option. Here you can choose the header and footer from the drop down list. Go ahead and choose the header that you just created and the footer too. Further, for the header, you can make your header fixed so when the user scrolls over, the header will stick to the top. You can also make your header shrink, and if you want, you can make your header overlay over your page's contents. Once you are done with these settings, just click on the Save Changes button. Now open any page on your website. You can see that this is the old header and the old footer right here. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, our new header is loaded automatically. And for the footer, we have our new design. Do let me know what you think of the header footer feature of Powerpack Elements add-on. And if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.